Now see the question number 5. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle is passes through the center. Here we consider the tangent given PQ is tangent, point P is point of contact, and OP is perpendicular to PQ. All these things are given and we have to show that OP passes through center of the circle. This thing we have to prove here. OP passes through center of the circle. Now this proof is by contradiction method. This method is used in chapter 1st to show root 2 and root 3 are the irrational numbers. In that questions we use contradiction method. Contradiction method means we have to consider the opposite statement of the proof. OP passes through center of the circle, ये आपको प्रूव करना है, तो इसका अपोजिट स्टेटमेंट आप कंसिडर करोगे OP डज नॉट पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, और जो आपने कंसिडर किया है उसको रॉन्ग प्रूव करना है, मीन्स योर स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. दैट इज द कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन मेथड. लेट OP डज नॉट पासेस थ्रू सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल means the perpendicular at point of contact passes through the other point, let O dash. इस वहाँ पे दूसरा पॉइंट होगा O dash जहाँ से ये परपेंडिकुलर पास होगा. That is the other point. Means that perpendicular passes through the point O dash, means O dash P is perpendicular to the tangent. It is our supposition कि ये पास नहीं हो रहा है OP नहीं पास हो रही, तो वहाँ पे दूसरा कोई सेगमेंट होगा जो वहाँ पे पास होगा. That point is O dash P. O dash P perpendicular to PQ. If O dash P is perpendicular to PQ, then angle O dash PQ is equals to 90 degree. It is a right angle. O dash PQ is equals to 90 degree. But it is already given that OP is perpendicular, PQ is perpendicular, OP is perpendicular to PQ, means angle OPQ is equals to 90 degree. It is your statement first. Means both the angles are right angles. It is your statement first. Now from figure, see the figure. If you consider from figure angle O dash P and angle OPQ, if you consider the position of that figures, at that time you will get angle O dash PQ is less than angle OPQ from figure. But from figure angle O dash PQ is less than angle OPQ. It is the statement. Now see the figure, statement 1 and statement 2. In statement 1 it is given that both the angles are equal. In statement we give that. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 both the angles are equal, but from equation 2 one angle is less than the other angle, which is the contradiction. From equation 1 contradiction arises, means it is not possible, means it is not possible that the line passes through O dash, but it is possible if but O and O dash coincide each other, then it is possible. Means both the points are equal, both the points are same, at that time it is possible, means our supposition is wrong. Means OP passes through center of the circle. And it is your proof. In only simple way, we have to just consider the other point from which that passes, but if we consider other point O dash P is perpendicular, that angle is 90 degree. Already it is given that this angle is 90 degree, both angles are equal, but from figure if we see it logically, then logically both the angles are not same, one angle is less than the other angle, means in equation 1 and 2 contradiction arises. It means it is not possible that O and O dash are the different point, but it is possible if the points are same, points coincide to each other, and therefore our statement is wrong, and OP passes through the center of the circle, means O is the center of the circle.